Ever felt like your debt is a tangled mess, a never-ending uphill battle where every step forward feels like 2 steps back? You're not alone. Millions of people grapple with overwhelming debt, feeling lost in a sea of minimum payments, high interest rates, and the constant stress of not knowing if you'll ever truly break free. You see those success stories, people celebrating their debt-free journey, and you wonder, how did they do it? What's their secret weapon? Well, what if I told you there's a powerful tool out there, designed to bring clarity to your financial chaos and guide you step by step toward a debt-free future? A tool that helps you understand your spending, identifies sneaky subscriptions, and even negotiates bills on your behalf? Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Money, and specifically, how you can leverage its features to create and execute a powerful debt payoff plan that actually works. But let's be clear from the start, Rocket Money isn't a magic wand. It won't instantly erase your debt. What it will do is empower you with the knowledge, insights, and practical assistance you need to take control, make informed decisions, and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Think of it as your personal financial co-pilot, helping you navigate the complexities of debt with greater ease and confidence. Before we jump into the how-to, let's set the stage. Why is debt so overwhelming for so many people? It often boils down to a few key factors: lack of visibility, uncontrolled spending, and the psychological burden of feeling trapped. You might have multiple credit cards, personal loans, student loans, and other forms of debt, all with different interest rates and payment due dates. Keeping track of it all can feel impossible. Then there are those sneaky subscriptions you forgot about, the small recurring charges that chip away at your budget without you even realizing it. And finally, the emotional toll, the anxiety, the guilt, the feeling of being stuck. Rocket Money aims to tackle all of these head-on, providing a comprehensive solution for regaining control. So, you're ready to get started with Rocket Money and create your debt payoff plan. Fantastic! Here's your step-by-step guide to harnessing the power of this app to conquer your debt. Step 1. Get started with Rocket Money, the foundation. The very first thing you need to do is download the Rocket Money app and set up your account. It's available on both iOS and Android, and the initial setup is straightforward. You'll be prompted to securely link your financial accounts. This is crucial. Rocket Money needs to see all of your income, expenses, and, most importantly, all of your debts. Now, I know what some of you are thinking: linking all my bank accounts and credit cards. Is that safe? And that's a valid concern. Rest assured, Rocket Money uses bank-level 256-bit encryption, the same security protocols used by major financial institutions. They also partner with Plaid, a widely trusted platform for connecting financial accounts, which means Rocket Money never actually stores your login information. Your data is encrypted and protected, so you can connect your accounts with peace of mind. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money gets to work. It starts categorizing your transactions, identifying recurring bills, and giving you an overview of your entire financial picture. This initial step is often eye-opening for many users, as it reveals where their money is truly going, often in ways they never realized. Step 2. Gaining clarity, understanding your debt landscape. With your accounts linked, Rocket Money provides an aggregated view of all your debts. This is where the clarity begins. You'll be able to see total debt amount, a clear, undeniable number that shows you the sum total of what you owe. This can be daunting at first, but it's essential to face it. Individual debt balances, a breakdown of each credit card, loan, and other debt, along with its current balance. Interest rates, crucially, Rocket Money often displays the interest rate associated with each debt. This information is a game changer for strategizing. Minimum payments and due dates, all the critical payment information consolidated in one place, helping you avoid late fees and missed payments. This consolidated view is invaluable. Instead of logging into multiple bank portals or digging through statements, you have everything laid out for you. This allows you to truly grasp the scale of your debt and identify which debts are costing you the most in interest. Step 3. Uncovering hidden savings, optimizing your cash flow. Before you can aggressively attack your debt, you need to free up as much cash as possible. This is where some of Rocket Money's signature features come into play, helping you find money you didn't even know you had. Subscription management. This is perhaps one of Rocket Money's most famous features. The app automatically identifies all your recurring subscriptions, from streaming services and gym memberships to obscure app subscriptions you signed up for once and forgot. You'll be amazed at how many forgotten subscriptions are draining your bank account. Rocket Money makes it incredibly easy to cancel these directly from the app, often with just a few taps. This alone can free up significant funds each month. Imagine saving $50 or $100 just by canceling things you don't use. Bill negotiation. This is another powerful feature, particularly for premium users. Rocket Money offers a concierge service where they will actually negotiate lower rates on your behalf with various service providers like your internet, cable, or cell phone company. You simply upload a copy of your bill, and their team gets to work. If they succeed, they take a percentage of the savings, usually 30 to 60% of the first year's savings, but even with that fee, you often come out ahead, and it saves you the time and hassle of haggling yourself. Any money saved here can be directly reallocated to your debt payoff. Spending insights and budgeting. Rocket Money provides detailed spending reports, breaking down your expenses by category. This visual representation helps you pinpoint areas where you can cut back. Are you spending too much on dining out? Impulse purchases? The app allows you to set custom budget categories and spending goals, giving you a framework to reduce unnecessary expenditures. The goal here isn't to live a monastic life, but to identify habits that are hindering your debt payoff and adjust them. The free version offers basic budgeting, while the premium version provides more robust customization. By leveraging these features, you're essentially creating your own debt payoff fund, rerouting money that was previously wasted on forgotten subscriptions or inflated bills directly towards your financial freedom. Step 4. Choosing your debt payoff strategy, avalanche versus snowball. Once you have a clear picture of your debts and have freed up some extra cash, it's time to choose a debt payoff strategy. Rocket Money doesn't explicitly force one method on you, but it provides the data you need to implement either the debt avalanche or debt snowball method effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.